What's the overall thinking on these retail investors, though? Are they back? Was it a black swan? Is it something?
You mean the whole sort of meme stock phenomenon that got Gabe in trouble in GameStop last year?
Yeah.
It's probably a moment in time. You know, replay the history. You've got this enormous stimulus program from the federal government, sending checks to tens of millions of American households. And a fair number of those households did not need the cash. They put it into the stock market. And people were looking for connection. They were looking for something to be involved in. You had the rise of the Wall Street bets and the whole Reddit phenomena. And I don't want to say our stock market devolved into entertainment, but there was certainly an entertainment dimension that came into play with money that was in some sense just dropped out of the skies into people's wallets. And they took a run at the stock market and GameStop and AMC and dozens of other meme stocks. I like to think it was a moment in time. I like to think that's the case. It's not how capital formation works best. And frankly, a lot of it came from a place that I don't think it was very healthy, which is like, let's try to take a firm like Melvin and put them into bankruptcy. Like, great. So you basically help wipe out the pension plans of teachers. You feel good about that? It's not Gabe's money that you're taking down. You're taking down the money of a pension plan that belongs to a teacher. So I don't think it wasn't a very good moment in American capital markets history. But I think you have to replay history and go, where were we as a country? And people were locked up in their basements, kind of losing their minds.
So it's a COVID phenomenon.
It's a COVID phenomenon.
Have you been on Wall Street Bets?
Of course I have.
And?
There are some great videos of them trying to attack Citadel. I noticed that we always seem to stand in the end, but there's some really great videos done.
Such as? Now, everyone's going to Google instead of listening to what you have to say.
You go Google and have fun on Wall Street Bets. Entertain yourself.